Apple! 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 Your mom!
What about me?
You're not included. That is the reason why I love sausages. Who ate my chipotle? There's something mysterious happening in this house. I think it's a ghost. Juicy like my husband. Who ate the powdered donuts? Earlier it was 10, now it's just 3.
That's not me.
I hate liars. We have to be honest here. We are only 3, oh. How can I eat that? I'm vegan. Oh, I cannot reach. Oh, it's very hard. See?